Welcome viewers. In 2026, this is the first video in the channel NASERTECHHUB. So we select one of the interesting topic, AWS Bedrock, in the context of generative AI on the cloud. So we will go through in this video how to build scalable AI applications with managed foundation models. So the agenda for this session is an introduction to AWS Bedrock, the core components and architecture, building and deploying generative AI applications, real-world use cases and benefits, future directions and innovations. So let's go to AWS Bedrock. So what is actually AWS Bedrock? So AWS Bedrock is a managed service designed to simplify building and scaling generative AI applications by providing easy access to foundation models from leading AI providers without needing to manage infrastructure. So it enables customers to build AI applications, AI-powered applications by rapidly abstracting complexity involved in AI model deployment and API integration. So it democratizing the generative AI uses on the cloud. So in this case, we understand what is the objective of AWS Bedrock. So key features and capabilities. So AWS Bedrock offers a set of core capabilities, including the seamless integration with foundation models from Amazon and third-party providers, customized model tuning to adapt outputs to unique business needs, built-in scalability and reliability on AWS infrastructure, and robust security controls. It supports generative AI tasks like text generation, summarization, image generation, and more, making it a versatile platform for diverse AI applications. So position in the AWS AI ecosystem. If we go through this part, so AWS Bedrock complements existing AWS AI service such as AWS SageMaker, AWS Lambda, Amazon Comprehend, so serving as a foundation model marketplace that integrates smoothly into broader AWS AI workflow. It acts as a bridge between pre-built AI capabilities and custom models development, allowing hybrid approaches that leverage best of breed foundation models with AWS's infrastructure and operational tools. So let's go through what are the supported foundation models and providers are here. So first case like A1 AI21 Labs. So it offers Jurassic 2 language models for strong text generation and summarization ideal for creating creative writing, content creation, and knowledge extraction. Another important part like Anthropic. So these cloud models emphasize safety, explainability, and ethical AI suited for conversational agents, customer support, and compliance sensitive workflow. So stability AI. So this is also the especially in generative image models like stable diffusion, enabling high quality image synthesis and visual content generation. So multi-provider flexibility. So Bedrock's unified API streamlines integration of diverse models. So it enhance the performance and compliance for various different types of use cases. So integrating with AWS services. So Bedrock integrates natively with AWS services like Amazon S3 for data storage, AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM for secure access, Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring, AWS Lambda for serverless compute executions. So this integration ensures that generative AI workflows benefit from AWS mature security, scalability, and observability features. facilitating robust end-to-end AI application development and deployment. Now we will go through the security and compliance considerations. So data security, so end-to-end encryption models, this protects actually data in transit and at rest. So ensuring confidentiality and integrating with all the workflows. Compliance certifications, so AWS Bedrock adheres to global standards including GDPR, HIPAA, and SOC 2, providing assurance for regulated industries. Access control, so fine-grained IAM-based controls restrict access to different resources and enabling organizations to enforce least privilege policies. And privacy safeguards, so customers' data used for inference is never stored by AWS, addressing critical privacy and confidentiality concerns. Next, just we will go through how to build and deploying generative AI applications. So AWS Bedrock development flow, if we consider, the first is the model selection. So you have to select the suitable foundation model for the specific task and constraint, then model customization. So then you can refine behavior by prompt patterns or fine tuning with domain data. And then application development. So build integrations using Bedrock APIs with AWS SDK and CU tooling. And then testing and iteration. So validate outputs, monitor performance, and log feedback for the improvements. And then deployment on AWS. So then you can ship to a scalable infrastructure for the secure, reliable delivery and iteration. So Bedrock facilitates customization techniques, including the prompt tuning, fine-tuning options, and embedding integration to tailor model outputs for the industry-specific language, compliant needs, and domain knowledge. So this allows businesses to create differentiated AI applications that align closely with the customer expectation and operational requirement, and so to improve relevance and output accuracy. So then we will go through the deployment strategy and scaling. So Bedrock supports scalable deployment strategy, including range from serverless architectures to containerized microservices to auto scaling and load balancing features. Ensure applications can handle variable demand while optimizing costs. So it integrates with the CI/CD pipeline for the continuous delivery. So making Bedrock suitable for production-grade generative AI workloads across different industries. Real-world use case and benefits. So AWS Bedrock enables generative AI deployments on the different industries like the healthcare for patient note summarization, finance for risk analysis narratives, media for content generation, and retail for personalized customer engagement. Its flexible model supports and customization enable domain-specific solutions that improve operational efficiency, customer experience, and improve innovation speed in the diverse sectors. So by accelerating AI application development and reducing infrastructure overhead, so AWS Bedrock helps enterprises achieve faster time to market for generative AI solution and lower total cost of ownership. So this is actually the greater than 30% ROI improvement with AWS Bedrock adoption. So case studies and success stories. So leading organizations across different sectors have leveraged AWS Bedrock to deploy AI-powered applications that generate significant business impact. For example, customer support transformations with AI chatbots reduced resolution times by over 30%. And media companies automated content creation workflows, increasing the production speed by 50%. So these case studies illustrate Bedrock's effectiveness in real-world enterprise environments. Future directions and innovation. So AWS continuously expanding Bedrock with plans to introduce more foundation models, add advanced customization options, improve monitoring tool, and tighter integration with AWS AI services. So roadmap initiatives also focus on enhancing user experience, lowering latency, and increasing model performance, reflecting the AWS commitment to stay on the forefront of generative AI innovation. So integration with emerging AI technologies. So future integration with multimodal AI models, learning systems, edge AI deployments are expected to be incorporated into the Bedrock. So this includes collaboration with specialized AI hardware accelerators and hybrid cloud on-premise strategies. So broadening Bedrock's capabilities to support next generation AI workloads and diverse operational environments. So generative AI is transforming cloud computing by driving the demand for scalable. So that's why generative is not just an add-on to the cloud computing. So it is the becoming the engine that powers the next wave of enterprise transformation. So this is the visionary perspective. So in summary, AWS Bedrock offers a powerful platform that integrates foundational AI model with AWS robust cloud ecosystems. Its core component security focus and flexible deployment options empower developers to build scalable, customized generative AI applications. So real-world use cases demonstrate significant business value, while ongoing innovations promise to further advance AI capabilities in the cloud, leveraging AWS Bedrock positions organization at the forefront of AI-driven transformation. I hope this in this first video in 2026 in this channel, that this gives an overview of the AWS Bedrock. So more videos are planning in the upcoming days. So please stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Thanks everyone.